So inside of CapCut desktop editor, if you were to go around onto the audio section right here, then there's different music that you can choose from. As you can see, different royalty-free music that you can use for your project. Like this, there's like beats like here, there's lab audio right here, and so forth. As you can see, let's just go around onto press and then bring in this. You can go around over here and bring in this onto your timeline, and this is the audio that you have. You can also go around and search for the name or song artist if you know. So let's just go around and type in Alone, and over here it's loading the resources, as you can see, and whatever audio with the name Alone shows up just like this, as you can see right here. So apart from that, you can see that you also have sound effects that you can bring in. Like, let's say for example, there's magic. So I'm just going to go around and bring in magic reveal over here right here. Then you can go around and press the play button, and that is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can search and use our audio library inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.